kum shibenta ban kan tewi kum ribat penmi yuk nyang rendia bat muka kamtam hari boy district kabdi ka wayne ka district bapau nam halor ka jing penmi yuk nyang rendia ka regional muga research station central skill board ministry of textile jong ka sarkar india haka jintre lang bat ka office jong district agriculture officer ribo district menta kasi ka pratrik rumpang kala pelong da ka venya risham krishi melaya ka pala pelong ka district library nong po hagane kasi lawan ban sakhilang do ba meral bonds mmla ka nong po ko mukongsan bat ula pli paj baru ya ka jimpen inam ya ka rukom ri bat penmi yuk nyang bat uksai rendia bat ula yo ban penlai ka kot halor ka rukom ri yuk nyang muka bat penmi sembai bat ula samre yukus nam shik nong ri nyang rendia bat muka baklantam hari boy district kum ka jimpen sloriki na lor ba meral bonds don ban sakhilang ka singi Daw SAS Rehman Scientist RMRS Boko, Brajan Rachaudhry Scientist CSB, Dr. KM Vijoy Kumari Director CMER and TI, kakong RB Lengwa Zonal Officer in Charge District Agriculture Officer Riboh District, bat kiwi officer ringkat kespangut kinongri kenyang jabat muka na Riboh District.
As the developmental scheme were implemented in Meghalaya and Assam, and we requested to have some rearer from Mosanta area and nearby Mosanta area, where we have got the sufficient muga rearer, and we have converted them as an adopted seed rearer, because whatever the cocoa produced by them, we were collecting. MSSO was collecting and they were producing the seed. So this was the initiation of this area for muga culture. Though agriculture was tried long back, and this area farm Nongpo was the only farm where the people used to visit this farm.
Bapinyo di sai berkontak terter. Kalau kita kongsan, adu kata-kata, bakum ki nomor kiri. Kalau kentuk na tu, umba eriknya, umba tirik sai, umba airong, umba matai. Kita hari yang kan reading, speeding, dying, weaving, sau kenok ngini bertahan bagai kawan kalian di rangkap mahaban yo ya ki cingtip ki bakam dunia bat bene layo ban ya keren ha ko ba di exhibition itu na ko ban register ban yo ya ta ma ongki jadi pensisa ba uksai ubo penmut ko pila ni lagi chan ki bathan ko pila ni ki de nang baru uksai uba dikenal boha bode maromenta bun baha ki ba penmut ki mar duplicate nama ba yaju saya dia yaju kini cari dia ki babun ki company ma ki group ki bala abi bentit ki bachne ki mar ke balom duplicate ki habale ko ju ko ha abade ni ti ko uno bude original no bude duplicate am ye set ti bala terma kata ban pensisa ba ude uksai uba dikna bude original ba pagili chan ke original tedon kam ban hak ban register ban yo agak kama nagalian jong central set board hak ba nagalian jong hi kala bendega SCG kala bendega group kala bendega shimet pin sapanding sai jong ta kono beci ahikai ni hapi marhak ni ke perthai ko company de sutu ini ki mar ke original hi jong than dia penduk kanong kani kasni garong sni ban ya than tu bande kador ko biet ka mana ngam tar tan im hapi